everyone, my name is Magic, and for today's video, I will be unboxing this microphone that I bought from Shopee. Actually, I already unboxed this one and I already used it twice, but I haven't recorded it yet. So for today's video, I will show you what's inside the box or what are the inclusions of the microphone that I will be reviewing for today. But before that, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let me show you the microphone or the box. So this is the microphone. Is Ari mic or Ari mic, your phone microphone. You can see it. This is a lapel microphone, and I will read to you. It's written lavalier lapel microphone, Ari mic or Ari mic lavalier with clip-on omnidirectional condenser microphone is designed for vocal or video use and provides clear and accurate voice recording experience to the user. Performs significantly better than majority of the built-in microphones, making it ideal for all sorts of recording indoors and outdoors. So let me see. TRRS connection, new and improved audio, compatible with iOS, Android, or Android devices. It is also compatible with DSLR or cam recorders or camcorders. So the microphone or the phone microphone that I bought is a dual head. So dalawa sila, pero isa lang yung isasaksak mo sa phone mo para magamit mo siya if you have an interview or you have a Q&A with someone. So, this is the microphone. Since I already used it twice, ito na yung hitsura niya. Hindi na siya kasing ayos nung una ko siya in-open. I have a clip here and a clip here also kasi dalawa yung heads niya. Ito yun. So, kita ba? Ayan. So, I separated the wire sa dalawang heads para hindi siya matanglog. So, let's go and open the box kasi dito ko nilagay yung mga inclusions niya. Oh, let me read it first. So, what comes in the box? It has the lavalier lapel microphone. This is it. Meron siyang premium synthetic leather case for wind maps, for lapel clips, and DSLR adapter cable. So, let me open this. Alright. So, maganda yung case niya, leather case. Ari mic or Ari mic. Your phone microphone. Very nice yung case niya or yung bag. Dito nakalagay yung inclusions niya. Meron siyang sa ibang video na napanood ko, ang tawag dito is dead cat. Or ito siguro yung wind maps. Para hindi directly napupunta or na-record yung wind if ever na gagamitin mo yung microphone. So, actually, dalawa siya. Ito yung isa. So, dalawang wind maps or dead cat. And meron ding dalawang lapel clips with the phone. on top of it. So, ito yung dalawang lapel clips and then dalawang foam para ilagay mo sa microphone. Kasi kung anong itsura ng microphone pag tinanggal yung foam. Okay. So, ito yung itsura ng microphone kapag walang foam. And then, for example, tatanggalin natin yung clip. Ganun lang. So, if ever nasira or nawala mo yung clip, nakaka-reserve ang dalawa. So, a total of apat na foam sa microphone, and then apat din yung clip. May clip at foam na included already sa microphone, and then may dalawang extra. So, total of 4 foams and then 4 lapel clips. Pero yung dead cut, dalawa lang siya. What else we have here? I guess that's it. Oh no. We also have this connector na pwede raw sa DSLR. Ito rin. So, yun lang yung mga inclusions. Now, we will proceed in trying this microphone. But before that, let me put the phone back on top of the microphone. So, sa mga videos na napapanood ko, ginagamit nila to during interviews, yung Q&A, yung iba nga ginagamit pag nag-ASMR o yung mukbang. But I haven't tried it yet. So, since ako lang mag-isa ngayon, kakabit ko to sa phone ko. Itong microphone ang masubukan natin. By the way, as I am speaking to you right now, hindi ko gamit itong microphone. Okay? But now we will try kung ano yung kalalabasan ng voice ko. So nakikita ko sa mga videos, dito nila nilalagay yung microphone, yung hindi siya nasasagi ng damit mo para hindi mag-record kasi masyado siyang sensitive. Kahit konting anong tawag na masagi lang siya ng damit mo, nakakatch niya agad yung voice or yung tunog. Ganun siya ka-effective o ganun siya nag-work. Since nagamit ko na siya, alam ko maganda talaga yung voice quality niya compared sa hindi gumagamit ng microphone. We will be just using the built-in microphones of our phone. Hindi siya masyadong kagandahan. Whereas, kapag gumamit ka nitong lapel microphone, mas nagiging malakas yung voice na nare-record and clear yung voice sa videos. So, let me put it first directly. Ewan ko lang sa ibang phone kung nag-work ba siya sa pre-installed application or camera application ng phone nyo. But sa akin, I am using a Huawei phone and I tried na directly ko siya ginagamit yung camera app and then nare-record naman kahit walang third-party app na gagamitin for audio recording or video recording. So let me put this microphone on and Since di ko naman gagamitin yung isang microphone, nalapag ko na lang dito sa harap ko para mas malakas yung voice na ma-record niya. Okay, so nakasaksak na yung microphone. I'm already recording my voice using this microphone. And I don't know lang if it's pleasing to your ears, to your pandinig, yung voice or sound quality niya. But as for me, okay lang siya. Okay siya talaga. And if you notice, nahihirapan ako magsalita ng Tagalog because I am a Bisaya. I came from Misamis Occidental, and this is my first time na magsalita in front of the camera na ako lang mag-isa. Kasi hindi naman talaga ako vlogger or what do we call this? Yung mahilig magsalita in front of the camera. This is my first time to record a video na ako lang mag-isa nagsasalita in front of you or in front of the camera. But I'm trying my best. This is my first time also to speak Tagalog in front of the camera. Para na rin sa mga Tagalog nating friends in Luzon, para maintindihan nila if ever you are interested with this microphone. Pasensya na rin kung medyo OA yung pagkakasalita ko ng English. I'm trying my best na i-explain sa inyo what is this microphone about. By the way, munti ko nang makalimutan. Ito palang microphone na ito, it has a wire na 6 meters ang taas. Pag order ko nito sa Shopee, it has like 6 meters and 1.5 meters yung haba ng kaniyang what we call this, wire. So I opted for 6 meters kasi mas magagamit ko siya ng pangmalayuan, and pwede rin naman na malapitan lang. Ikikip ko na lang yung iba. As I have mentioned earlier, I bought this microphone or lapel microphone from Shopee. So ilalagay ko na lang sa video ko yung store na pinagbilhan ko nito sa Shopee. And the original price of this microphone is 1,020 pesos. But I got it for 619 pesos. And then the shipping fee for this one is 100 pesos. And by the way, this is designed by Arimic or Arimike, and this is made in China. So it came overseas. 100 pesos yung shipping plus 619 yung lapel microphone. But since may discount akong nakuha sa shipping na 20 pesos, so 80 pesos na lang yung shipping. And then also discount, another 100 peso discount from my Shopee coins. So nabayad ko na lang is 599 pesos. So sa murang halaga, meron ka ng microphone na dekalidad naman talaga siya. For me, nice yung quality niya. Parang magtatagal siya sa akin. Matagal-tagal ko pa itong magagamit in my vlogging journey. Alright, I guess that's it for this video. I hope you like it. And if you do, please hit the like button. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Magic True. Bye!